Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and download WinSCP into your computer. You just need to come over into Google Chrome browser, and then here you just need to search for WinSCP and click enter. After that you will get winscp.net website over here. So if you click on that, then you'll find a download option over here. And if you click on the download WinSCP 6.3.6, and the download will be shortly started. After the download is started, you can see over here, and a very short time the download is completed over here. And now if you click on it 2 times for setup and minimize the browser over here, and then click on install for all users. So if you click on that and click yes for the permission, I'm going to accept the terms in the license agreement and then setup type typical installation. Click next. I'm going to come under next and install. And you can see the download is completed right now. And if we just click finish, WinSCP's web server will be opened. And now if we look at this, you can see WinSCP is opened into your computer. So this is how you can download and install WinSCP into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Until then, goodbye.